So hi everyone. Today we are going to solve Kadane's algorithm. So this is the this is very famous algorithm of finding the sum of the continuous subarrays. So we are giving array of n integers. We have to find continuous subarray maximum sum. Yeah, continuous array. Continuous array means it's containing at least one number, saying continuous subarray is at least containing one number, and find the maximum summary returning sum. So what is continuous subarray? Continuous subarray of if this is the example 1 2 3 3 minus 2 5. So continuous subarray of this array is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 2 and 1 2 3 minus 2 5. This is the continuous subarrays, and now we have loaded sum. So sum is 1 3 6 4 and 9. 1 3 6 4 9. So what is the maximum sum? Is 9. So we have written 9. This is the answer. Like if we taking this example, sum is minus 1, minus 3, minus 6 and minus 10. What is maximum? Minus 1. Of course, so we have written minus 1. So in this question, what's my approach to solving this question? So after seeing this question, first thing comes in my mind is that we have to find sum, because we have to find maximum sum. So we have to find sum and then maximize it. So first thing come in my mind is find sum and then maximize it. Yeah, so maximize it. But problem is how we can handle negative cases. Cases because if any comes, then what happen? Sum reduces. So take care of this. So what I'm doing is I'm writing a loop till n, and now I'm saying is sum is 0 and finding sum is nothing but ARR of I. So yeah, so I am finding sum is 3 2 5 6 1, then again sum is 2 1 3, then again sum is 3 2 1 6, then sum is reduced. So sum is reduced. So what we can say is if sum reduced, then what we can say, this is the maximum. But there again a possibility, if the elements is greater than whatever. So what happen if there is minus 4, then it's to positive sum, then this will give max. But what happen if there is minus 6, then this will give 0 and this will give sum is 5, but this is 6, that's sum is reduced. So what I'm saying is if there is any negative and sum is approaching to 0 or less than 0, if sum is approaching to negative, then we can say, definitely say that if the greater element after that is greater than this thing. Why I am able to say that? Because if this will cancel, so we can say that this is the maximum if this will cancel. But if this will not cancel, if there is not negative which cover this thing 1 2 3 and minus 2, then we can say that maximum we can find it further. We can say that maximum we can find it towards in the right direction. So yeah, so we have find sum, then we say if sum is negative, then what we say is sum is 0. Why I am saying is sum is negative then sum 0? Because if sum is negative, then sum is negative. If sum is negative, if sum is there negative, then overall sum is reduced, so we can't find max. Some negative, we can't find max. So I'm saying there is negative, there is minus 7, there is negative, so we get the maximum. There is sum is 0, but this is the maximum, so we have to store here somewhere. So we can say maximum is nothing but int min. We have to store, and maximum is nothing but maximum of sum till here sum and maximum. And yeah, answer is maximum. and question is given in long but we are using it, so take care of this thing also. Oh sorry, and this thing I think it's not an 2 minutes long. I think this done perfectly fine. After running the question, we are able to find the answer. I think all test cases should be passed. Yeah, all test cases is passed and the question solved successfully. So this is the approach you can use to solve this question. So what you have to take care of thing is if sum is negative, any point sum is negative, then we can say we can't find sum greater than this furthermore. So the maximum till where sum become negative, we have to store somewhere, then we have to move further, we have to sum 0, then we have to sum of all the elements where sum 0, then we have to find sum of all the elements for further this element, then we have to repeat this until we will find the maximum. The maximum is stored, this will store the maximum. So in this case what will happen, 1 2 3 till 1 2 3 maximum is 6, so it's stored 6, then we can say 6 minus 2 is positive, so we don't have to take care of this. But uh, if we say it's 1 2 3 6, if we say is minus 7, then what happened, till layer 6 is here minus 7, it's here minus 1, this is negative, negative will become it's reduce the overall sum. So what we can say, till here we have find 6, 6 is the maximum, then we can say if it's negative then sum becomes here 0, then sum is 5, 5 and 6 max is 6, so answer is 6. Yeah, 6, so it's easy. If it's 8 then we can say the max is 6, but here is 8, so answer is 8.